Hey there, savvy entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is special because we're focusing exclusively on powerful tools that won't cost you a penny. Yes, you heard it right. Each tool we're discussing today is absolutely free. So, whether you're bootstrapping a startup or looking to scale up without scaling up expenses, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into 9 free tools to supercharge your business growth online. Kicking off our list is ChatGPT. This AI-driven tool can revolutionize the way you interact with customers. From drafting emails to generating creative content, ChatGPT is like your personal writing assistant. Plus, it's constantly learning, making it a future-proof asset for any business. Second is Canva. With its drag-and-drop interface, thousands of templates, and vast image library, Canva makes professional design accessible to everyone. Create everything from social media graphics to business presentations without spending a dime on expensive software or designers. Meet Notion, the third tool on our list. Imagine having a planner, database, and collaborative workspace all in one. That's Notion. It's an organizational powerhouse helping you keep track of projects, schedules, and even company documentation, all under one roof. Fourth is Card. In the digital age, a website is your business card. Card lets you build stunning, responsive single-page sites. It's perfect for launching a product, hosting a portfolio, or creating an event landing page. Simple, elegant, and incredibly easy to use. Halfway through with Google's Suite at number 5. Google's suite of tools, like Docs, Sheets, and Drive, are essentials for modern businesses. Collaborate in real time, store files securely in the cloud, and manage your day-to-day operations, all without spending a penny. Number 6 is YouTube. It's more than a video platform, it's a community. Use YouTube to showcase your products, share educational content, or even engage directly with your audience through live streams. It's a powerful way to build your brand and connect with customers globally. Seventh, we have Instagram. This visual platform is a treasure trove for brands. With features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV, you can create immersive content that captures your audience's attention and builds a loyal following. Next up, Gumroad. This user-friendly platform is perfect for selling digital products, courses, or subscriptions. With its minimalist interface and powerful tools, Gumroad makes e-commerce a breeze for creators and entrepreneurs. Last, but not least, Grammarly. In business, communication is key. Grammarly ensures your written content is clear, effective, and mistake-free. From emails to proposals, it's like having an expert editor at your fingertips. And there you have it, 9 phenomenal tools to take your business to new heights, and they're all free. Implementing these tools can give you an edge in the competitive digital landscape. Liked what you saw? Hit the like button, share this video with fellow entrepreneurs, and leave a comment with your favorite tool.